Okay, here I have Brim. She's the mom to the kitten I have in here. And they will be reunited in just a skinny second. Brim. Here we go, Brim. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Wow. I can't believe that kid ate that much. Wow. Hey, baby. Want to come see your mama? You want to come say hello to your mama? Yeah? Come on. It's all right. Come on. Come on, Brim. Oh, come on. Come on, Brim. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on. Come see your baby. Come on, sweetie. It's all right, Brim. It's all right. Why don't you come out and see your baby? Come on out. Why don't you go say hello to Mama? Huh? Why don't you say hello to Mama? Brim. Hey, Brim, look. Look. Who is this? Who is this, Brim? Brim. Who is it? Yeah. That's your baby. There we go. Yes. Nice friendly face. Look at you. You're already trying to clean her. Why don't y'all come out here so everybody can see you? Come on. Yes, it's a good baby. You sure did eat a lot in 2 days. Brim. Brim. She done about near gone to sleep. Look at you. You a sweetie pie. You are a sweetie pie. You are. Come on, Brim. Come on. I'm going to put this down here just for a second. I'm going to get Brim out of here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah. There you go, Brim. There you go, sweetie. Yeah. There you go. I might clean that out. You ain't got much room to go in there. Yeah, come here. That's all right, Brim. Look. Yeah, there's your baby. Yes, it's all right. Yes. But we got to get that other one, don't we? We got to get the one. I actually got a good look at the other one today. The other grown cat, excuse me, that is all lovey-dovey with Brim. It's like, I think, the complete paw has been cut off. I'm gonna have to, do what I can to trap her. I had to leave the trap there tonight and put tuna in it just to see if I can make her go in there. But she's a pretty smart one. So I'm going to have to get up early in the morning and go out there and check the trap. Because I'm either going to have a cat in there or a raccoon or something. So I'll have to go and check it early and spend the day fishing tomorrow if she's not in it. Yeah. Yes. Alright, let's do your litter box and get some more food up here. See, Brim, it's not so bad being domesticated. Look at you. Yes, you know that's your baby. Yes. Yeah. Alright. We're going to turn the camera off so I can get all your stuff done. Okay. Bye-bye, y'all.